Let us have another example wherein we are going to determine which value or values of k will make both roots of the equation 4x squared minus kx plus 3 equals 0 to be real. So, for the discriminant to be a real number, the discriminant is equal to 0. Because the nature of the roots will be real, rational, equal. And the discriminant is equal to 0 is also a real number. The nature is a real number. It can be irrational or rational or irrational. The condition here is that the roots are rational. So, using the discriminant, it can be now stated as the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0 for the roots to be a real number. Now, finding for the discriminant, we have b squared minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. By substitution, our b is negative k squared minus 4 times 4 times c is 3 greater than or equal to 0. Negative k times negative k, we have k squared. Negative 4 times 4 is 16 times 3 is negative 48 greater than or equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic inequality. So we can now add both sides by positive 48. K squared is greater than or equal to 48. Now getting the square root of both sides, we will have k is greater than or equal to, we can simplify this as positive negative 4 times square root of 3. But let us determine this. Is it really greater than or equal to positive negative 3? Because if we are going to rewrite it into a number line, this is 0. Now, this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. This positive negative square root of 3 is approximately equal to 6.9, positive negative 6.928. Now, if it is positive negative square root of 6.9.8, so suppose this is negative 7 and this is positive 7. So, this positive 6.928 will appear as this one. And this, if it is a negative 6.928, this will probably on this side. But the question is, which of the two, where will I go? Will it be on the right side to the positive, or will it be on the left side or to this one? So let us check. In checking, if we're going to use this, the integer negative 7, if it is a negative 7, for sure it is equal to. So here it is included in the solution set. If it is to the right, it will be positive 7. So let us substitute positive 7 to k. So we have 4x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, the discriminant will be negative 7 squared minus 4 times 3. And then, by solving for this one, this will be 49 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 3 is 48. And it is equal to 1. Therefore, the discriminant is greater than 0 because it is equal to 1. So, here, we're going to use this to the right. So all the numbers to the right is included as a solution set. So we have k is greater than or equal to 4 times the square root of 3. Now how about this one? Will it be greater than or equal to negative 4 times square root of 7? Let us check. If I will use this integer, negative 7, so that will be 4x squared, and then minus a negative 7, that will be positive 7x, plus 3 equals 0. Now, using the discriminant, we will have 7 squared minus 4 times 4 times 3. Because this is 4, this is A, and this is C. Now, 7 times 7, we have 49, minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 3 is 48, which is also 1. So, the discriminant is 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the value of k must be less than or equal to negative 4 times the square root of 3. And this arrow goes to the left. The solution set now will be this one, and to the right of positive 4 times square root of 3.